my vlogging channel. So today is Vlogmas day 7 and it is the 7th of December. So I started the vlog quite late this morning. So my work called me up and said, oh, can you please come in to work? And I was like, no, because I'm busy today, it's my day off. So yeah, so that's a bit. So I didn't go in today because I said to them I can't go in. And they have gave me some leave. So I have to go to work for quite a while now. So it's good. So I've got about a week and a half off. So that is good. And I'm really happy. So no more making up so early in the mornings. Yes. But yeah. So basically that is what's happening. Hi guys, so I forgot to open my advent calendar this morning, so I'm going to do it here. So yeah, I'm so excited for my advent calendar. I can't believe it. Day 7 already. It's so mad. So I'm going to show my advent calendar. Let's open it. 7 out. I wonder if I will touch. There you go. What is this? Oh, cute! Like a glittery nail filer. I actually needed one of these. So cute. So glittery. I love it.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Sugar, where are you going? We can't get
To the tidings we bring to you and your king, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Back foot off the vegetable, I think. She's not poorly. Some ham. She likes her ham. I get you want some ham, don't you? That's what you're looking at me for. The cat's always on the table. Misty, look, it's ham. More ham. Oh god, she's like a lion. Is it nice? I hate seeing my cats all poorly. Right. Good girl. So I'm sorry that I've not been really active today. Just I've had a really busy day. So first of all, it started off when work called me up. It's my day off, and they said, "Oh, can you come into work today, please? Because you want to be in the rota, but we want you in." And I'm like, "What are you talking about?" I said I can't go in today because I've got a busy day ahead, and they got a bit funny. And then they said that they're going to give me some time off, so that's alright. So I've got a week and a half off, so that's not too bad. So that is all resolved now. And I gave my clothes to charity shop because I wanted to give it to a good charity. I'm not going to put it on Depop because there's this charity which I really wanted to give it to, and one of my friends works there, so I popped in, tried to see her today. So that was nice. But yeah, that's it really. I've not been doing much. My Twitter has been full of Jack and Danny. Because they split up yesterday, everyone's been like crying about it, everything else like that. But I'm like, if they really love each other, they will get back together. But everything happens for a reason. That's what I always say. But you know, I'm glad that I'm not in a relationship right now because I don't think I could cope with it, to be honest. But tomorrow I'm going to be filming, or I might film it tonight, I'm not sure. Either tonight or tomorrow I'm going to be filming my Christmas control on Instagram. That's going to be going up next Saturday. So I'm very excited because I upload twice a week now because it's Christmas. So yeah. So I'm very excited. Hi guys, so it's a few hours later and I have filmed my Christmas makeup look, what you guys can try. I'm not going to show it now because I want it to be a surprise. Tomorrow I've got a video going up with my grandparents, which I filmed this week or last week. But I'm having my oranges now. I fancy some oranges. Oh, I feel so like worn out at the moment. Don't know why. It must just be my how I'm feeling. Also, like, I was so thirsty before, but now I'm not. A lot of people keep asking me still, am I going to get my boobs reduction? So, because you can get surgery done to them. And I'm like, no, I really don't want to. Because, I get it when people want to change because they don't have much confidence. But I do feel quite confident with my body. So, I wouldn't have it done, to be honest. But the only thing I love to have done is my nose. My nose is so big, I hate my nose. And it's got a little bump there. So I want something done to that, but I don't think I will because I'm scared of needles as it is. But, yeah, that's about it really. But I wouldn't have nothing else done. Like my boobs, my lips, nothing like that. I'll just have my nose because it's a bit bumpy, a bit big. But, oh, my phone's on 20%. I can't believe it's Christmas soon. I cannot believe it. And my brother is last day at Stagecoach tomorrow till the New Year. Who's that snoring? Oh, it's Ralph. Funny. Oh my god, got a digestion, I think. But I'm going to get my pyjamas now. I'm in bed now, and tonight I watched The Dumping Ground, and Tracy Beaker came back into it. It was such a good one, and I want because I want to watch it again because my brother kept screaming, so I didn't really hear it that well. But I'm going to be watching it in a minute. I'm super excited on my laptop. I haven't watched Tracy Beaker in so many years. I grew up watching it, and it was one of my best like TV programmes. I'm super excited. So I am going to end today's vlog here. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 8. Bye!